What's up, kings and queens? Welcome to another market open. It's Monday, and I think everything is good. Testing. Looks like I have volume. Okay, I think we're okay. All right. All right. So just looking at everything really quick, we got Virgin Galactic, which is like blasting off, which is great. So they're at 765. Looks like UEC is even up. Yep, 354. So there we go. Looking somewhat green, more green than we were the last week, which is definitely good. AT&T is still looking a little sideways, but at the same time, we are in the few first minutes, so that can change exceedingly quickly. What did we buy this in at again? Okay, I guess I'm at break even, so I can sell that soon. Just to get it out of here, start stacking a little bit of cash. I want to start getting some cash in each of these accounts, even if it is only a few dollars here and there. So right now we're looking at $171.45 in this account. I have 14 shares of UEC, 2 shares of AT&T, and 1 of Starbucks. I am going to slowly be switching around this account so that I can trade a little bit more in it rather than holding things that'll be longer term. So that is to come. Also, check out my short definitions that I've been dropping if you're a beginner in investing, or even if you just want to learn some new words. I have a whole bunch of them up now. All right, there we go. Let's check in on crypto. So Bitcoin and Ethereum have had a little bit of a jump the last couple of days. I don't know the catalyst. I just know I saw the alerts. So I'll check into that in just a second. But from like 19 and change that we were the last time we were on live, we're at 22. And from, I think it was like 11, we were at 14, or 12, we were at 14.7. Everything else, I mean, things are moving a bit, but nothing's going too crazy. I mean, sure, you could have gotten $1-ish on Polkadot. Polygon's actually looking pretty good. That looks like it might have doubled. Yep, the last 7 days it doubled. Okay, so actually the more and more I scroll down, the more it is looking like there might have been a bigger catalyst that triggered the start of everything moving. Let's see. Bills, exchange launches, giveaway, that wouldn't do it. Anchor reveals the biggest upgrade, that wouldn't do it. Why? It's a mint card. I wonder. So I am going to pull up a couple of things. We got the Bitcoin rainbow chart right now. We are still in the fire sale / buy section of it. So as the days go on and as I start making a little bit more, I am going to be putting some more into Bitcoin instead of saving it in dollars, just because I have more confidence in Bitcoin than I do dollars. But I have to make sure I have some in dollars to pay bills. And this is also interesting. I actually haven't checked this out in a while. Oh, I meant to see if I have. Wonder if I have any pictures of this from before. No, I don't. Okay. Yeah, that was on my other computer. So, haven't checked this out in a while, but this is the whale watch or whale stats on the EChains. So you can see right here the most traded token is PAX-G, which I actually thought was pretty interesting because that's a 1-to-1 correlator with gold. So gold has been going up and down a lot lately. Let's actually, I'll go on here. I'll be nice. I'll give you guys some screen time. I like Giant Buoyant. I like SD Buoyant too. So silver, it's coming up a bit. It was in the $18 range. Now it's in $19.22. So we're coming up a little bit on some of the precious metals, but gold is up $12.66. It's been swinging a lot, so I could see why it's one of the most traded. I'm sure a lot of people are selling it to, let me not even start speculating that way. Let me just put it this way. Gold's going down / up a little bit, but it's been down. It's been pummeled for a while. It's off of like a $2,100 gold last year. Anyway, most widely held token, Mana, biggest token position by dollar value, SHIB. We can look at the is holding, I think. Yeah, okay, I just had to scroll down more. Now we can just see what everyone is holding, the biggest wallets or biggest holdings. I don't know what CHSB is. Oh, Swissborg. Okay, I do remember that. I forget what they do. But Mana's still one of the most hold. Matic's still one of the most hold. Crow, Link, Engine. Gala is still in there. It's a little lower. But it looks like we still have a few that we were looking at before being the most held, but a lot are way down here or not even existent on this chart anymore. Chili's is still up here. But yeah, like Sand was up here huge before. I don't know if I even see that. I don't think I even see Sand on here. But there you go. There's a little thing. What am I in here for? Oh, right, okay. So, one thing I do want to look into or look at are the different sectors and industries and everything. I dropped a couple of shorts on sectors and industries, so a couple of things that I want to keep my eye on are communications and non-energy minerals. So, let's see. Let's go to communications first. Overview, dividends, margins. What do we want to look at? Let's look at dividends. And yield. Why not? Why not? Wow. Okay. So some of these have a really high yield, but that's not always a great thing. Also, because when you look at that, $0 per share. So, let's see. So looking at these are different communication companies. So this is the communications sector, or sorry. Yeah, I'm saying that right. In industry. Oh, I was selected on sectors. That's why. Okay. I am where I want to be. I'm just using the wrong words. I'm just going to scroll through here, see what's what. We got AT&T right there. They're calling it a buy right now. It's got a 1.8% change. Do I have it not on dividend? I don't. Okay, so dividend. Oh, excuse me. 5.4% dividend, so about $2 per stock. Now, I'm wondering if this is why it's telling me that I'm positive with my AT&T stocks in my TD Ameritrade account, because I have a couple of shares. I wonder if I got a couple of those dividends, because it's telling me I'm 425 positive, but if you look at it, I'm actually like $1 under on each share. So it should show that I'm $2 negative, but it's showing I'm $4 positive. So I'm wondering if it is just reinvesting into it, if I have that set up or not. I don't know. I created those accounts so long ago. I don't remember exactly what I set up. What else we got? We got T-Mobile right here. It's non-dividend yielding, looks like, and Verizon we know is $2.54 per share, 5.4 cents or percent yield, $51 per share right now. What else do we got up here? Anything else that I know? PT, don't know them. Tim's, don't know them. What about Starlink? Is that on here? Orange. Orange is dividend yielding, $10.58, 5.58% dividend yield. And yeah, about 59 cents per share, which I guess would add up to about AT&T once you get the same dollar amount. They're all 5-ish%. I have a friend who works here. I know they're one of the biggest communications also. Lumen, I don't know too much about them, but I know they're up there. Uma, I've also heard of, mostly from people switching out of them. What else? Nope. No others. Okay. Now the other sector I wanted to look at is non-energy minerals. I want to see some dividends or dividend stocks in here. I'm also going to look at some to trade too, but I want to see some that I could hold longer term. How many are in here? 168 matches. That's a lot. Okay. We'll go this way. There we go. Oh, we go. Highest dividend down. Let's see if I recognize any of these. Just going with what I recognize or don't recognize first, just so I can, I guess, start with what I know. GF I've heard of before. 2 point some odd. Might as well tag that. Gold, of course, everyone knows gold. AUY, know that. Man, I haven't looked into these in a while. Wheat and precious metals, that made me a couple of dollars. I still am so mad about that. I got into it at like 20 something, sold it at like, I think it was like 23, 24, maybe 27, and then it like rallied up to I think the 60s back in like 2020, and I had sold before it went all the way up. This is why I've definitely tried to take in the whole you don't have to trade, not trading is okay too. But of course you can overdo that also, which I've done. Oh, excuse me. Okay. That's all. Royal Gold is another one I know. Alright, that's good enough for me. Let's see, let's look at industries next. Just for hits and gigs. Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wee, wow. What am I looking for again? Is that what it's called in here? Non-energy, minerals, materials, mining, other materials, maybe? Okay, yeah, there's a mine. Fury Gold. So let's look at, what do we want to do? The change. Let's look at the biggest change. Gold Royalty Corp. 7 employees. Didn't know that. That's pretty cool. I'm going to bookmark this. Alright, I'm going to take a look at that another time. I would definitely want to look deeper into that. Receives 10 million, accelerate, play to own. Oh yeah, I did open this up because I was going to look at some of the charts, so let's just look at Bitcoin real quick, see what it's doing. Oh, they have changed up this. Oh, there we go. Okay. I was like, why is it not in dark mode? That was throwing me off. Alright, BTC. We're on 8 hour right now. Let's look at the week. Man, this thing is wild. Could be reverse head and shoulder, maybe. What markers do I have? That's all moving averages. Looks like all the moving averages just crossed. Did it cross? Where did it cross? I don't know. Who knows? Bitcoin's being Bitcoin, but I don't want to harp on anything for too long without giving any value, so I'm going to end it there. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me and checking it out if you're looking from another time. See y'all later.